How to recover deleted Google Drive files. So if you want to recover deleted Google Drive files, you will be able to store it, or you will be able to locate it in a trash folder, and you just have to tap on the restore button. But this is only going to happen within 30 days of your deletion. So basically, when you open up your Drive application and tap on the three dot icon and you click onto the delete button, right? So then once you've deleted the file, let's say you tap on the menu bar at the top of the page or the top left and go to the trash section. Here you'll be able to locate the files, and you could also see the restore button if this is within 30 days. But you need to understand that if you've deleted from the trash section as well, you will not be able to recover or restore it. This is going to be impossible for you to recover the deleted Google Drive files that has been deleted from the trash itself. And similarly, if you've crossed 30 days, then it's also going to be impossible for you to recover it. So if you have stored it, or if you have not deleted permanently, or it's stored in the trash, then you will be able to recover. Otherwise, there is no other way you could go ahead and retry the files. So with that being said, I've come to an end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.